It's James Nicholson, I hope you're well, and today I want to talk about taking time out of your business to work on your business. You see, so many business owners, myself included in the past, we just get busy in the day-to-day of our business, and what happens then is we don't tend to grow. We find it very difficult to find new strategies that are going to take us forward. It's really important to have some time out of your business from time to time to reevaluate what you're doing. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in Bangkok, just going for a walk, and got this incredible place here where the train line, literally here, you can see, goes through the centre of Bangkok. But there are shops and houses all the way along there, which is absolutely crazy. Imagine living there. But it gets you thinking. I love walking around Bangkok. For me, it just opens up my senses. It makes me alive. And I think about maybe what I'm going to be doing in the next few months, and I can't do that when I'm sitting in front of a laptop. It's important to just have that time. For you, it might be sitting on a beach, it might be going for a walk in the Lake District, it could be walking up a mountain. Whatever it is that you want, it's still a good use of your time to take maybe a day out a month from your business and just see where you are, see the things you've accomplished, reward yourself for those accomplishments, and work out what you're going to do in the next few months as well. So that's it from me. Let me know, do you take time out to work on your business? How does that help you? Comment below. I'll reply to every comment personally. Give me some likes and some hearts, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.